So I have a first aid kit that hasn't made it to my gator, and this will be the second Christmas. Yeah. It'll make it there eventually. So we're back at it here. We have since got ourselves all taken care of. We are not crying red punch anymore. We are since then topping the heater off with fuel. If anybody knows where I can find another two of these diesel fuel jugs with this style of spout on them, I would greatly appreciate it. I am not a big fan of the ones that are manufactured today that have the stupid, if I'm thinking correctly, they're more like a duckbill kind of queer setup, and they make more of a mess than they are good. So if anybody knows where I can find a couple of these with this style spout, or if they are still a manufacturer, or if they are hidden from the public but somebody is making them, anywho, just please let me know in the comment section below, because it would be nice to have more diesel fuel on deck for these 3 heaters. Alrighty. So what we need to do, we're picking back up where we left off yesterday, is we need to put some engine oil in this engine so that way we don't blow it up. That would not be very good on a brand new engine. There is just a wee little bit in this engine, but we need to put the correct amount in it, and you do that right there. Yeah, we need engine oil, because I'm not going to go through and blow this thing up. Oh, just like I did the other one. Sitting right over there. So instead of going after 1540 or whatever we dump in the engines and the farm equipment and the dump trucks, we're gonna try this 10W30. So we'll just put it in and we'll see where we're at there. So I just dumped a little bit in, screwing it in to make sure we get a correct reading on our dipstick. Just got a little more put in it. I'm going to repeat step 1. These stupid sight glasses are so hard to see. Alrighty, it's about the moment of truth. We got just enough gas in this container to put in our engine and see if it's gonna run or if it's gonna be a dud. Well, actually, before we go and do that, we need to get this. Let's see, the decal. Yes, this went up. Okay. And then this bolted to that. Okie dokie. Did this bolt? No, it went this way. That's right. Okay, where's the holes? They're right there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no uh-ohs. Okay. I wonder if just thread right in or what I'm getting myself into here. Because I really don't want to go and fuck these threads up. So I don't have any clue what I'm getting myself into. I guess I need to see if the bolts will... Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I don't like that. I don't know if these are supposed to just go in, stop, you know, bottom out, and then that's it. I guess we should have tried this on a workbench before we got ourselves too carried away with assembling this thing. Because now we don't know what goes where. We should have took pictures of this, but no, nobody did, so it's nobody's fault but mine and Dad's. Darn it. Ever done this before? I don't think they're supposed to go in a few threads and then stop. But I could be wrong. Hello? Can somebody please smack me as to why I keep putting this thing on backwards? Goes on this way. Like that. This thing is kind of... Ouch. Kind of need a hand with this. But I'll get it eventually. Oh my goodness. Where are you at? Come on, right there. Should be. I'm not liking them holes, but I guess it's how this is gonna have to go. I mean, I wasn't the one to take it apart. So, yeah. I don't know. I just, man, what in the world? I don't know. This is just all new to me. Okay, we're gonna see if we can't get this thing to run. At least. Fuel is on. Let us choke. Okay. It runs, but this thing is noisy. Oh my goodness. So we've hit a bit of a snag. We're gonna have to cut this off, move this in a little bit. Because this shaft is a different length than where this needs to belong. When this is on here like such, the bottom of this impeller housing, there is hardly any shaft sticking out there. Because, well, we can't use that spacer right there. Because this has to set down on this here, well, that shaft is, there's not going to be anything to hold on to for the impeller. So, cut that off right about there somewhere. And we will re-weld it, or we can just scrap the dang thing and just chop the damn leaves up for all I care.